Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Building a Language Translator in Python with Google Translate API. Introduction. Language translation is a common requirement in many applications, and Python provides easy access to translation services through various APIs. In this tutorial, we will explore how to build a simple language translator using the Google Translate API. Prerequisites. Before you begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You'll also need a Google Cloud Platform, GCP, account and a project with the Google Cloud Translation API enabled. Obtain your API key from the GCP console. Step 1. Install the Google Trans library. Open your terminal or command prompt and install the Google Trans library using the following command. Step 2. Import the required modules in your Python script. Create a new Python script, example translator.py, and start by importing the necessary modules. Step 3. Initialize the translator object with your API key. Replace your _API_ key with the actual API key obtained from the GCP console. Step 4. Define a function for language translation. Create a function that takes the text and target language as input and returns the translated text. Step 5. Test the translator function. Write a simple test to check if the translation function is working correctly. Run your script, and you should see the original and translated texts printed to the console. Conclusion. You've just created a simple language translator in Python using the Google Translate API. You can now integrate this functionality into your projects to translate text between different languages. Remember to handle API keys securely, and consider error handling and user interface improvements for a complete application. ChatGPT.